Hi y'all, it's been a long time since I've done a live video and an open house. Today I am down in St. Cloud. I'm on the canal to Alligator Lake, so really great value. If you want to be on the water, you could be on the water down here and access the lake from your backyard. Beautiful new homes, new communities, so everything is in tip-top shape, and it is a bright, beautiful, sunny day. I am, if you can see behind me, at 495 and 3-car garage. Car does not come with the house. If you'd like a parakeet, I've got one available. Nice paver driveway. I love the look of that. Big covered patio, lots of space up here. You could put some nice little chairs, have your coffee. Come see me, get some snacks. And nice big entryway here, tile throughout. Right when we come in, to the right is an open space. You might want to make this a office or a playroom or a media room or even just a living room with the windows on onto the front patio. Now you're on the cul-de-sac, so you've got privacy if you want to sit up here. It's nice and cozy. Big kitchen. I love the island. And the detail on the wall for the dining area. Nice chandelier. Corner pantry for all your goodies. Yeah. See, they're ready for you to move in. Lots of space for you and storage under the countertops. Maytag. Okay. Nice fixtures, cabinets. The color is very popular. I'm gonna save the best for last, which is the backyard. Let's check out, there's a side bath, little teaser, and we're turning on lights as we go through the house because I haven't even walked through the whole house myself. Just got here. All right, let's check out upstairs. Oh, this is the garage entrance that we just saw, the 3-car garage. So nice little butler pantry. You never know where you're gonna put your keys. When you can't find your keys or your phone charging station, or where do you put your mail so it's not in the middle of the dining area all of the time. Not like that's a personal pet peeve or anything, but it kind of is. All right, big open loft space to do what you want. Playroom. The children can have their spot up here while the adults have their spot downstairs. Looking over on that private cul-de-sac, you can see water on the other side even. Do you have any questions? Do y'all want me to show you anything in particular? I'm just opening the blinds because sunlight always enhances the space. And realtor tip, when you have the windows open for the natural light, it always gives the illusion of a bigger, more spacious room. This is a spacious house, so let's show it off and highlight some of the positive features. Like I said, it's pretty much new, so if you're looking for something you don't need to fix up, update, renovate, or sink a bunch of your cash into because you just put cash into a deposit and down payment, this is the home. This is what you're looking for. Oh, I love the high countertops. So I'm tall. The last thing I want to do is bend over so far when I'm brushing my teeth. Good morning. Tub. Sink and plenty of room for your linens, towels. All right, so double vanity, always nice. Nice luxury vinyl plank throughout, and then the bedrooms have carpet. Double door, California closet built in. It's helpful, definitely, so you can cut back on the furniture in the bedroom, giving you, again, more space to live and enjoy the room instead of use it as storage. The last thing you want to feel like is your bedroom is like you're sleeping in the storage room. Let's open this up. Bear with me. put out about 30 signs, so you really can't miss it when you're coming down Hickory Creek. Oh goodness, this is it. So, again, built-ins. And another bedroom. Corner room. Ah, nice accent wall. I like that color. It's very 70s. Okay, look again. Beautiful view of the water, y'all. It's a little breezy, but it's not as cold as it has been, and the sun is shining. So I am trying to get this tour finished before people start piling in. I invited people to bring donations for Matthew's Hope today. If you still have something you'd like to contribute, feel free to bring it down and I'll make another trip out there because they are still in need. Their resources have been exhausted with the cold front we've had coming through this past week. Laundry. I think I've said this before. Turn it around. I'm pretty sure I've told you many times it's really handy to have laundry upstairs because it also is a double-edged sword. You don't have any excuse for not putting your clothes away because the laundry is upstairs. So, right at the top of the stairs too, centrally located. All right. I'm sure this is a deep linen closet and primary bedroom with a tray ceiling. Oh, and again, a view out the windows at the water. Turning. And you're at the end of this cul-de-sac, so you know what that means, privacy. You could definitely park 3 cars in the driveway and 3 in the garage, so you wouldn't have to worry about having cars on the street. Walk-in shower, tile. And let's turn it on. Double vanity again. Linens. And master primary closet with the built-ins. So handy. Head back down for the grand finale outside. We're gonna go for the grand finale. The best and my favorite room, which is always the backyard. Let's go. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is the money shot, y'all. Beautiful. This is where I'd spend most of my time. So it looks like you would be able to screen it in because the neighbors do have theirs screened in. And if you don't want to, because, I mean, you may not need to. A lot of people do not have their back patio screened in. You do have this covered, screened in patio, which is right off the main living area. Still have a little yard space and the fence is already put in, and I'm looking around, everybody has the same type of fence, so I'm sure that's the HOA approved fence. Then you've got the marvelous boat slip. Let's take a little peek. Watch your step. There's a doggy down here. So I think this might be shared. Oh, he's tied up, okay. I don't think, maybe that space is shared, but there's your boat slip. I'm not gonna go down, I don't wanna upset the dog. Can I walk out there? It's okay, yeah. Come see me, I'm here until 2. Peace. Bupparoo.